I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, wear that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they come strapped. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope it cash like whoa. How you fucking with these hoes up?
Understanding linear function or the type of mathematical function where each variable has in the highest degree 1, and there is no product between variables in a graph. A linear function will appear as a straight line, has the name linear. General form of linear function. The general form of a linear function is y mix plus j, c, where number 1, y is the dependent variable outcome. Number 2, x is the independent variable input. Number 3, m is the gradient or slope of the line. Know how fast y changes relative to change in x. Number 4, c is a constant or interaction point with the y and x. Y values when x means 0. General form of linear function. For example, if we have the function y sama dengan 2x plus 1, then m is minus 2 and g is 1f. This means that for every 1 unit increase in x, y will increase by 2 units, and when x when 0, y is 1. The application of linear function are very broad, ranging from for example, Hooke's law, economics, for example, supply and demand function, to predictive motion in data science. Linear function. A linear function is a function that produces a graph in the form of a straight line. This function has the general form y mx plus y function where m is the gradient or slope of the line, and c is the interaction on the y-axis. Here are some applications of linear function in everyday life. 1. Economics. Linear functions are often used in production cost calculation, where total cost is a linear function of the number of units produced. 2. In physics, linear functions are often used to describe motion at constant speed. Distance traveled is a linear function of time. Number 3. In financial mathematics, linear functions are used in simple interest calculation. The amount of money earned after a period is a linear function of the amount of money invested. Number 4. In biology, linear functions can be used to model population growth under a certain conditions. Following are the steps to define a linear function. Number 1. Determine slope M. Slope is the vertical change y divided by the horizontal change x. In a real content, slope can refer to change in price per unit, speed per time, and so on. Number 2. Determine the y intercepted z. The y intercept is the value of y when x not 0. In a real content, it can refer to the value to the initial cost, initial value, and so on. Number 3. Set up the equation. After finding m and b, set up the equation in the form y mx plus b. Purpose of linear function. The main purpose of a linear function is to model the relationship between two variables where n variable change constantly with respect to the other variable. In other words, if we graph a linear function, we will get a straight ellipse. It can be applied in various situations such as: Number 1. In the economics, linear functions are often used to calculate total cost if we know the cost per unit and the number of units purchased. Number 2. In Pisces, linear functions can be used to model the relationship between change and time in motion at constant speed. Number 3. In everyday life, linear functions can be used to plan monthly expense based on daily expense. To define a linear function, we need to know the cardinal value slope on the line and the y-axis interaction point. The positive formula in y means where m is the gradient and g the y intercept.
Bring it down, make